Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can share the files between computers wirelessly. And for that, let us begin with sharing through LAN network. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the control panel, and we can do that simply by making a search here in the Windows search tab. Type control, and you will get under best match the control panel option. So once you got that, please make a click on that and then it will be open. So here in this window, all you need to do is just to select this view by category option. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to click on this network and internet option. Once you do that, you will get these two options here, the network and sharing center and the internet options. So please select the network and sharing center. And once you click on that, you will get this window. So please select on the change advanced sharing settings. Once you click on that, we will get this new window here. So we have the private and public network. So please click this drop down button in the private network, and all you need to do is just to make sure that this is turned on, the network discovery, so your PC can find and be found by other devices on the network. So please turn this on. And then for the network discovery also on this under this public network, please also make sure that this is turned on. And for the file and printer sharing below private network, please turn this on also. And as you can see here, I am connected with the public Wi-Fi or public network. That's why this is the current, it says here that this is the current profile. And if you see here all network option, please do make sure that the password protected sharing is turned on also, and the public folder sharing is turned on. And once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then we will move with the services option. So just close this window as well. And here in the Windows search tab, again, we need to type services. And you will see under best match the services option. So here, all we need to do is just to go to the SSDP discovery. So please select one service there and then type in your keyboard SS or S, and then we will scroll down. We will look for SSDP discovery. We will make sure that this is set to automatic. So how can we do that? Simply make a right click on that, click on the properties button here, and then set the startup type to automatic. Just click this drop down button and then click on this automatic option here, click apply and then click OK. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with the UPnP. So please go to your keyboard again. This service being selected, please go to your keyboard and type U, and then we will be brought to this U section. So we have here UPnP device host. Once you click on that, make a right click, click on the properties option, and then we have here the startup type is already set to automatic, so I'll just leave that be. And then for the service status, it says running, so that's fine. I'll just leave that be and then click on apply. Just click on OK and close this window. We will proceed with the functions discovery resources. So with this service being selected, please go to your keyboard, press F, and then we'll be going to this function discovery provider host or functions discovery resources. This one, I'm sorry. This is the one function discovery resource publication. So once you found this one, just make a right click, and with the same process, we will set the startup type to automatic. Please click on this drop down button, click on automatic option, and then please make sure that it is started or the service status is running. Once you're done making sure that it is running, just please click on apply, click on OK, close this window, and then close this window as well. And the next thing we need to do is to right click on the folder that you want to be shared. So please go and look for the folder that you want to share. So I'll just go to this file explorer of mine, and then for example, this is the folder that I want to share. All I need to do is just to make a right click on that, then click on the properties option there, and then we have here the sharing tab. So please click on the sharing tab, and below the advanced sharing section, please click on the advanced sharing. And once you click on that, we will get this another window here. So please select this share this folder, and then we have here the permissions. So please click on permissions. Please make sure that you have selected this permissions for everyone or allow all options for the permissions for everyone. Once you're done with this one, click on apply and then click on OK. And then click on apply and then click on OK. And then once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then you will now be able to share this folder now to the computer wirelessly. Okay, so just follow the few simple steps that I have shown you and you're good to go. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.